Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a quick video on how I obtain this lovely low bun hairstyle. It is the middle of the week, my hair is dry, my hair needs some attention, it needs to be hydrated, to be moisturized, and I really didn't have time to spend that much time on my hair today. So in order to keep it protected, I'll wear this style for the next couple of days. If you want to see how it is done, stick around and watch the video. Oh boy, today is a disaster. I am trying to get ready to get out of the house and my hair is a mess. I have filmed videos before where I show you how I get my hair done when it's freshly washed. Most of the time it's when it's freshly washed, and today is not one of those days. It's the middle of the week and I have to get ready to go out, and my hair is dry. It needs to be washed. It needs some TLC. I am going to try to get my hair in a quick updo, and this is what I have to deal with. It is not always what it's cracked up to be, because yes, you see the shine, you see the definition, but there are days where it's just such a pain and you don't know what to do with it. But I have to think of something, and I'm just gonna pull my hair back in one, and I am gonna show you how I get this sleek bun. I massaged my scalp with some oil earlier because my scalp also is dry and has been itching bad. But now I have to fix this mess because a girl gotta go. I'm gonna be spritzing it with water and leave-in conditioner. I'm just trying to get my hair a little wet. Now I'm gonna apply my 4-leaf clover leave-in spray. It's getting there. I see it's being revived slowly, slowly. I'm gonna now go with my Denman brush to kind of smooth the edges. I'm not focusing on combing my hair out or detangling my hair out the way, because this most of the time is done a lot better when your hair is wet or damp. When you do it when it's dry, your hair is prone to more breakage. So I'm just doing this because my hair can't go out. I can't leave the house with my hair like this. So this is where I am improvising by pulling my hair back in a low bun prior to my wash day, because I know I'm going to pretty much get rid of all the product buildup when I wash my hair in the next couple days. So here I have it pretty much pulled how I desire. Now I'm going to go in with a headband. I'm going to loop it around a couple times. And bam. Now I have my Eco Styler gel that I'm going to be putting around the parameters of my hair. That way all these flyaways at the front would behave. And me using gel is very, very rare. You typically see me do this if, once again, I'm going to get my hair washed. I would rock this for the next 2 days, and then I will go in and thoroughly cleanse my scalp and wash my hair out. It's already looking like we're going somewhere with this. Okay. Now I'll just use my rat tail comb. Tame these down. I'm gonna take the part of my hair that is out and I'm gonna spin it around in a bun, and that will be pretty much all I do for this style. I'm gonna go in with bobby pins to secure the ends. So there you have it. My hair is completed. It took me about, I'd say 10 minutes. And I have it, there's a little white, but that's from the gel. It's gonna dry within 5 to 10 minutes, but I'll just turn so you can see my hair. And that is all I did, because I didn't have time to go into the nitty-gritty and spend time trying to get a perfect style. This is going to be worn for the next 2 days prior to me getting my hair washed. So it is a quick style, it is a low bun, and this is what I do when my hair is dry and I don't want to let it down to get it more brittle. I just spritz it, pull it back, and be done. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this style. Let me know if you rock buns, or if you prefer twist outs, or if you do wash and goes, or you prefer to just wear your hair with wigs, weaves, or braids. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye.